Okay, so we're continuing with finding other percents using our percent benchmarks. So again, here we have 12%. So 12%, I need 10%. And then I think I need 1% times 2 to give me 2%, which will give me 12%. Okay, so that's basically what we're going to do with our money. So when I find 10%, remember 10% out of 18, I have to do 18 divided by 10. Remember, because it's 10, you're actually just moving the decimal one time to the left. So that's $1.80. And then to do 18 divided by 100, I'm moving the decimal two times to the left. So that's going to be 18 cents. But remember, I need to multiply that by 2. So I'm going to go ahead and add $1.80. I'm going to change the color so you can see it better. Okay, so $1.80. Then I'm going to do 18 cents times 2, and that's going to equal to 36 cents. And then I'm going to add it all up. So that's going to give you 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. I'm bringing that up. 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring the decimal straight down. And my answer is $2.16. So that means 12% of $18 equals $2.16. So go ahead and write this down into your assignment and then come back to the videos. Or go to the next question, not come back to the video.